Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu bhutange and we are going to discuss Simpsons one-third rule, and the formula for Simpsons one-third rule is integral from a to b f of x dx equals to h by 3 in bracket y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus and so on plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus and so on. So this is our formula for Simpsons one-third rule. Okay, and it is only applicable for even number interval like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. So we get our first question. We have to find our first question. Okay, our question is find integral from 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x dx. Okay, by using Simpsons one-third rule. So how do we solve? We can solve. First of all, we have to consider an interval. Okay, so I take my n is my interval. So I told you that it is only for applicable. One-third rule is only applicable for even numbers. So I take n equals to 4. Right, you can take 6, 10, whatever you want. Okay, then I have to find out my h. H is my step value. Okay, so h equals to b minus a by n. This is a formula for h. Okay, b is my upper limit, a is my lower limit, and n is my interval. So my b's value is 1, a's value is 0, and n value is 4. Okay, so my answer is 1 by 4. So this is 0.25. Okay, then we have to calculate value of x and y. So firstly we have to calculate x values according to our interval. Okay, so we take x0 is the initial value, so that's why we take it as a 0. Okay, so and then x1 we can take this value for x1, so we can easily solve our problem. Okay, I show you how. So 0 plus h 1 by 4. Okay, 0 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, or you can say 0.25. right, then x2 1.4 plus 1.4 we can take is 2 by 4, which is 0.5. okay, then x3 means 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4, equals to 0.75. and x4 is 4 by 4, means 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 4 by 4, that is 1. This here we can stop our calculating values. Why? Because our interval is 4. That's why we will stop our value here. Okay, now we have to calculate y0. Okay, y interval. Okay, so how do we calculate? We calculate x0 with the help of h. Now we have to calculate y with the help of our questions. Okay, so this is our question. We take we put x value in that question. We put x value in that question, and then we will calculate our values for y. Okay, so how? Our question is y0 equals to 1 by 1 plus x. Okay, so x means x0, because we want to calculate y0, that's why we take x0. So our x0 value is 0. So 1 by 1 plus 0, right, because of x0 value. So our answer is 1. Like that, y1 we can take 1 by 1 plus x1's value 1 0.25, so 0.25, then our value will be 0.8. okay, then y2, our y2 will be 1 upon 1 plus 0.5, then our value will be 0.6. then y3 will be 1 by 1 plus 0.75, value will be 0.5. then finally y4, our value will be 1 upon 1 plus 1, which is 1 by 2, means 0.5. it is 0.57.5. okay guys, so we have to put this value in this equation. okay, so how do we put our values in this equation? So we take our question, write this equation first. 1 integration from 0 to 1 plus x dx equals to h. Now our formula is h by 3, so h value is 0.25, so 0.25 upon 3, and then bracket open, in y0 is initial value, so what's our initial value? 1. okay, so we can write 1, and yn is last value, final value. What is the final value? Is this plus 0.5. okay, then plus, then we take 4, and in multiplication y1 plus y3 plus y5 with odd numbers. okay, so y1 value is 0.8 plus, then y3 value is 0.57. okay, then y5, we don't have y5, that's why we stop this here. okay, then we multiply with 2 into, then y2, with y2 is 0.66, then y4, we can't say y4 because we use it in this value as a final value, that's why we can use it twice in our formula. okay, so as we use this, as we put our values, then we have to calculate. So 0.25 by 3 in bracket, this is 1.5 plus 5.2 plus 1.2. okay, then our final answer will be 0.6583. thank you.